Are you looking for the best tool sets for basic home? In your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best tool sets for basic home. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the Crescent 180-piece professional tool set. This 180-piece set is ideal for homeowners looking for a kit that will help with car maintenance as well as odd jobs around the house. Along with a well-curated collection of sockets, there's also a set of combination wrenches, full set of screwdrivers, adjustable wrench pliers, bits, and a bit driver. Because this set is designed first for auto work, you will need to add a few workshop essentials separately, such as a hammer. The ratchets and sockets were among the best I've tested. The ratchets operate smoothly, and the inch ratchet, arguably the size you'll use most frequently, has a longer than average handle, so you can apply more leverage when using it. There's also a locking mechanism on the ratchets that prevent the sockets from slipping off the fasteners. The rest of the tools in the set are well made, if not exceptional. The screwdrivers have rounded handles that can make them difficult to grip. The pliers operate smoothly, but have a dip grip, so they aren't particularly comfortable to squeeze. The hard case holds all the pieces, though some of the molding isn't particularly precise, which causes some of the pieces to come loose in transit. Up next in the 6th place is the WorkPro Home Tool Set. WorkPro's large tool set includes just about everything a homeowner would need to handle beginner and intermediate jobs around the house. There's a cordless drill, multiple sets of pliers, hammer, torpedo level, and full set of screwdrivers. It's one of the best curated toolkits I've seen, and it will help you handle everything from installing shelves to fixing a leaky faucet to changing a light fixture. While it does come with some filler in the form of zip ties and anchors, it's one of the more affordable large sets I've seen. I also like the quality and user-friendly design of this kit. Everything from the hammer to the pliers to the screwdrivers have molded, oversized grips that feel good in the hand. Even the cordless drill has a light, mobile feel to it. All of the pieces fit into a well-made canvas bag that's easy to carry and is small enough to store in a closet. Coming in at number 5 is the DeWalt 142-piece mechanics tools kit and socket set. This mechanics tool set includes all the essentials for the home mechanic. The highlight of this set is its collection of ratchets. They operate smoothly and with precision. I was able to work bolts on my truck and ratchet lag bolts into a set of wood shelving in my workshop with ease. Each piece shows DeWalt's attention to detail. The sockets and drivers are designed with a knurled grip for hand threading bolts, and radius corners on the sockets prevent them from rounding off bolt heads. The kit also comes with a bit driver, plus assorted bits, and a full set of metric and SAE hex wrenches. It even comes with a separate case that includes adapters, so you can use the sockets with the bit driver or even an impact driver. The carrying case is rugged and has 2 metal latches that securely hold it together. It's important to note, though, that this is not a general home tool set. If you go with this kit, you'll need to purchase other essential tools, like a hammer and pliers, separately. At number 4 we have the Black+Decker 20V Max Project Set. Black+Decker's budget tool set consists of the essential hand tools anchored by a surprisingly powerful cordless drill. The kit comes with an ambitious set of paddle bits and hole saws that, quite frankly, I wasn't sure the drill could handle, but it drilled large holes through a sheet of plywood during testing with surprising speed and power. While the drill/driver won't compare with the top cordless drills out there, it's certainly no slouch and more than enough for casual DIYers. While the cordless drill is the star of this set, the kit also comes with a nice selection of hand tools, including 2 sets of pliers, screwdrivers, a hammer, a utility knife, and a tape measure. These hand tools have molded grips that make them comfortable to use and perform well, though it's clear they're only designed to handle lighter duty jobs. This kit is perfect for hanging pictures and changing out a light fixture. And with the cordless drill, it will also handle bigger jobs, like mounting a flat-screen TV or installing curtain rods. The 3rd product on our list is the Gearwrench 219-piece mechanics tool set. The core of this set is its collection of 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1-2-inch socket sizes and drivers that will help home mechanics complete nearly any task they feel comfortable tackling. There's also a full contingent of combination wrenches, a bit driver with bits, and a wide range of hex wrench sizes. Gearwrench is known for its build quality, and that's on display with this set for the most part. The sockets have a heavy-duty feel and radius corners that grip nicely to socket heads. The ratchets operate smoothly and have locking mechanisms that prevent the sockets from falling off while you're pulling hard. But while the ratchets performed well, they have a 45-tooth count, giving them a longer 8-degree swing arc. As a result, it was more difficult to work bolts in tighter spaces than the 72-tooth and 90-tooth ratchets I tested with shorter swing arcs. The set's 219 pieces are well organized in a storage chest with 3 drawers. The chest is surprisingly easy to carry given the sheer number of pieces contained inside. And I also like how the drawers double as removable trays that you can set beside you as you work. However, the drawers do not pull in and out smoothly, and the mechanism that prevents the trays from sliding out while in transit is nearly impossible to use. Second on our list is the Stanley 65-piece tool set. Through years of tool testing at the Good Housekeeping Institute, Stanley has earned an excellent reputation for quality and reliability. And it shows again here with this 65-piece kit. An excellent combination of value and performance. Our experts called it the Goldilocks of tool sets. It includes everything needed for most basic tasks, yet also not large enough to be overwhelming or take up tons of storage. Testers particularly like the quality of the 16-foot tape measure, which opens and retracts smoothly compared to the tape measures often found in cheaper sets, which have a tendency to stick. The kit's hard-shelled carrying case is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport from room to room or to toss in the trunk of the car. The set also includes a level, a helpful tool for hanging shelves or installing appliances. For bigger renovation projects, you may want to invest in a larger set or buy extra tools individually. Finally, the top product on our list is the Cyclist 23-piece bike toolkit. This toolkit offers a complete set of bike-specific specialty tools at a reasonable price. It comes with all the essentials, including a full set of hex wrenches for adjustments and tire levers for changing flats. There's also the tools you'll need for larger repairs or bike assembly, like a crank puller, chainring nut wrench, and bottom bracket wrench. I've owned this toolkit for more than a year and have used it for everything from minor overhauls to assembling new bikes. The tools are not as high quality as those from brands that professional bike mechanics use, but those kits cost 5 times as much. The quality is certainly good enough to meet the needs of more casual cyclists who like to work on their own bike rather than send it to the local shop. The tools have well-made grips, and all the pieces fit into a compact carrying case that's easy to store or take with you on a weekend cycling trip. If I have a complaint with this kit though, it's with a carrying case. Some pieces don't stay securely in their spot, and some tools you'll use most often, such as the hex wrenches, fit behind tools you won't use very often, which is inconvenient. Setting these complaints aside, however, this is a comprehensive and very reasonably priced kit for the do-it-yourself bike mechanic. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.